What is systems of equations? A system of equation is a set of two or more equations with common variables. What does the solution mean in terms of the equations? The solution is which variables make the lines intersect. How do I do systems of equations? There are three methods for systems of equations: graphing, substitution, and elimination. The graphing method. When solving systems of equations by graphing, you'll need to turn both equations into slope-intercept form. So we'll add 6x to each side. So we'll have to divide 3 on each side too. So we'll have 2x minus 2, or y equals 2x minus 2. Same thing on this side. One second. And then we'll have to divide again. It'd be negative 2/3, but we can simplify it to negative 1/3 x plus 5. Now we have to graph. We're going to graph this one first. So we'll have to go down to negative 2, then up 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, and then we'll also have to go down 2 over 1. And now we draw our line. There, now draw our line. Now we will do this one. I'll mark this one with blue. So we'll start on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then down 1 over 3. Down 1 over 3. Down 1 over 3. We already see that it intercepted right here. So we just draw our line. And so we can see that on the x-axis it went over 1, 2, 3. So it'll be 3. And then on the y-axis it went 1, 2, 3, 4. So it'll be 4. And that is how you do graphing. The substitution method. Now we're going to try solving systems of equations with the substitution method. So first, what we have to do is we have to make one of these turn them into slope-intercept form. So we will do this one. So add 6x to both sides. Get that. Then y equals 2x minus 2. Now, what's special about this one is so we will have to plug this into the y there, because this is like an equation. This is an equation for y, and it will help us find x. So we'll write 2x plus 6, comma 2x minus 2 equals 30. So then we'll have 2x plus 12x minus 12 equals 30. Now combine like terms to have 14x equals 42. And then we'll divide each side by 40, so x will be left over. So it'll be x equals 3. And now we have to put x, which we know is 3, there. In this equations, x. So it'll be y equals 2 comma 3, which is what x is. And then so we'll have y equals 4, because those two together equals 6 minus 2 is 4. Now, to make sure we definitely have the answer, we have to put 4 in for the y in like this equation. So we'll do 2x plus 6, 4 equals 30. So it'll be 2x plus 24 equals 30. And then we have to combine like terms, so it'll be 2x equals 6, and then x equals 3. So now we know that x definitely equals 3 and y definitely equals 4. So then we will put 3 comma 4 in parentheses, which is the solution. The elimination/linear combination method. For this method, we have to make the variables of either x or y the same as the other one. In this case, we are going to make the y's the same. So we'll have to multiply by -2 so that the y's, one is positive and one is negative, so they will be eliminated, and only the x's would be in the problem. So we'll have 12x minus 6y equals will equal just 12. Okay, so now we will bring this problem over here. So we'll have 2x plus 6y equals 30. So we'll have 14x, because we have to combine those two, and then we'll combine these two, which will be 0. So we just won't put that because that's superfluous. Then 42. So x equals 3, because you divide 14 by 42 and it equals 3. So now that we know that, we will replace the x right here with 3. So it'll be 2, 3 plus 6y equals 30. So it'll be 6 plus 6y equals 30. And then we'll add those two together, so it'll be So we have to, subtract them from each side. So we'll have 6 equals 24. And then we'll have y equals 4. So the answer for this will be 3, 4. So you might be wondering, why is it called the elimination/linear combination method? Well, it's called the elimination method because you have to eliminate one of the variables to get the answer for the other variable. It's also called the linear combination method because linear combination is the process of adding 2 algebraic equations so that one of the variables is eliminated. Thanks for watching.